Good morning, English 94. It is Tuesday. It is the 11th of April, and this week, your primary responsibility is to take your novel exam. English 94 is integrated reading and writing. The novel exam concludes the reading portion of our class for the semester. It is critical that you take the exam so that you can pass the class. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so here we are in our Blackboard page when you are ready to take the exam. And by ready, I mean that you have a quiet spot, you have at least kind of 2 hours of time where you're going to be uninterrupted. You are confident in the technology, meaning that you're on a laptop or a tablet or a computer that has good Wi-Fi internet connection, and you know it's not going to kind of like leave you hanging. So when you have all of those things and a copy of your book, because yes, this is an open book exam, then you're going to click this link over here on the left that says novel exam. As our study guide outlined, there are 2 parts to this exam. You get 50 minutes to take each. I suggest you take part A first. That's why it's part A, and then take a break, and then take part B. You can even take them on 2 different days if that's what's better for you and your schedule. By any means, they are available to you now, but both parts have to be taken by Monday, the 17th at 11:59 p.m. Please don't wait till 11:59 p.m. because you'll need at least 50 minutes. So I don't suggest you start this any later than 11 o'clock. All right, so to take part A, all you do is click on the link that says part A. It'll say you have 50 minutes. The test will automatically submit when time has expired. And when you are ready, you'll press begin. And you'll see that it is all multiple choice questions that has to do with the novel. Easy peasy. It's time. So even though it's open book, you don't have time to look up the answers to each of those questions. It is essential that you have read the book before you start this exam. Part B is the written part of the exam. So when you're ready to take it and you have 50 minutes of time and your book and a strong internet connection, you'll click on part B. It tells you the same thing. You only get 50 minutes and it'll automatically submit. When that 50 minutes is up, you'll press begin. In part B, you'll see there are 2 questions. Each question has 3 options for you to choose from. You're only going to respond to one of these options. Tell me in the box, option 1, option 2, or option 3. And then you're going to write out your response to that prompt in a minimum of 200 words. And please remember, this is an English class. So yes, spelling, punctuation, all of those things should be as clear as you can possibly make them. For the second one, you have 3 different options. Again, you're only going to pick one. Put in the box option number, whichever one you choose, and then answer the prompt. Again, 200 words, as clear as you can make it. So again, this is your novel exam. This is for The Hate U Give, and it is open book, and it is due Monday. Remix all the way to the discussion board, right? So this week's discussion board hasn't changed. Doesn't look like a lot of people have gotten to it yet. That's okay, because in here, what I told you was all the things that you need to complete to be completely caught up in this class. Most of you, the vast majority of you, have done papers 1 through 4. A few of you still need to do the novel presentation, and everybody, as we spent the first half of this video talking about, needs to do the exam. Again, all of these things and the discussion board, right? That's going to ask you to watch this video and take notes is due on Monday. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me or set up conference. Some of you have set up conferences and not been able to make it. That's fine. Set up another one. I'm putting up new times today, so check in tomorrow and see if anything fits your schedule. Good luck.